This
Yeah, hi.
conference will now be recorded.
We are for the workshop of SAP Extended Warehouse Management. I'm Sandeep and I represent a company by name Fortified Learn, and we are basically a cloud ERP implementation company. We operate from US, UK, and India. In India, we are present in Bangalore. We have an offshore development center in Bangalore, and US in Texas and UK in Hertfordshire. Fortified Learn is a global training partner for Fortified Infotech, and that is what we do about. The agenda of this workshop is to understand what is Fortified Infotech, what is objective of this training, like deployment and projects, and then what are the type of employment opportunities we have. And apart from this, we'll be looking on what are the compensation that can be offered to the right employees and additional benefit and detail of the program. So as a company, we do IT consulting, technology transformation, and migration of technology. All right, we focus on implementation of on-premise to cloud solutions. All right, so we'll be looking more on implementation prospects. So we will be having training, then projects, and then deployment. So depending on the resources and on the basis of project we are going to have, compensation for full time is 1.5K into 200K into number of years experience, and freelancer it is going to be 5,000 to 20,000 USD, and work from home you will have compensation of 1.8K into number of years experience into 2.2. Apart from this, we deploy to the companies also. We have a program which we have designed. One is basic, advanced, and expert. In basic, we have the program which is for 47,000 with GST included, and in advanced 88,000 GST included, and expert level 2,12,000. So we do training will be for 60 hours. But after training, that is after 60 days, you will have additional 30 hours, 60 hours, and 90 hours of login. Plus, you'll be part of the project. That project login also is there, which is for 60, 90, and 160 hours. And you'll be paid during project $100, $200, and $300 as a compensation. And placement is with Fortified Infotech, because as we do implementation, we operate for UK and US and India. Certification examination. Examination fees you will take care in basic and advanced and expert level. Company will take care. Company will sponsor it, and there'll be a further also training which is for 15 hours, 25 hours, and 40 hours. You will have live recording classes like this, and we'll have session shared to you. Materials will be given. Interview preparation also. You will have 10 hours in basic and 40 hours in advanced and expert level. You will have also, which is on point, and then interview preparation we'll be looking. We'll be having a project level of communication for the customers, which will be for 10 hours, 20 hours, and 25 hours. Course completion will be there, which is for again we'll be providing course completion from Fortified and certification from Fortified, and email and WhatsApp support, which is very important after training when you are in working with us full time or freelancer. 90 days, 180 days, and 365 support days will be there, so that projects are delivered on time and it is on smooth parameters which we can have. We will be also looking from the training which will happen on weekdays and weekends. Weekdays it is going to happen from Monday to Friday, and weekends we are going to have on Saturday and Sunday. Plus system access will be there. As now we have close to 30 positions which we are going to hire and fill it by this period which we are going to look into. Now, what does happen in extended warehouse management? Like we have warehouse management in SAP. We'll be migrating the master data from on-premise to HANA database, which is SAP database. On-premise is Oracle database to SAP, and cloud. Front end we'll have Fury application, and middleware we have S4 HANA application. Now S4 HANA application works on the technologies like AI, machine learning, and then deep learning, and embedded technology. So in future it will be a live digital dashboards, live transaction right from the business point what we have to build so that we can optimize. Now actually in R3 we have this as one of the process which we talk about as warehouse management. 1991 started, and we will move directly to 2014, where we wanted to move into extended warehouse management came in, all right, with the advance, and 2019 with S4 HANA it has launched, right, which has more advantage. Like I said, we are going to focus on the customer end from the business prospects. Here we will be migrating on current version, which is more advanced, specific to business requirement. So one is we will have advanced version and basic version. In basic version, we are going to migrate from legacy system like inventory management, inbound, outbound, internal warehouse management, and physical inventory. In advance, we are going to focus on optimizations on inventory and other part on digitalizations and forms automations, all right, and workflow specific to integrations with multiple system will be dealing on, so that we can optimize more on the technology front. So anybody who is as a consultant can be part of this program and can get into. All right, so first we will understand what is extended warehouse management, structure migration, master data migration, and then configuration on the system level. Same time, we will have warehouse monitoring for the system which we are going to manage. All right, and then we will have specific customer specific. We are going to handle the business and their receipt, their payments and goods yard management on. As much digital and smart forms can be created for the customers, we'll be creating on. And then more progressive on part of migration also. We will have project which we are talking about here, customer specific, like migration from, and then post migration configuration in Fiori applications on extended warehouse management. We'll be doing a project which customer want us. So here you would be seeing that we are building a system and we are working on POCs and RFP in all the phases like inbound, outbound. Right, so complete warehouse management will be building for customers specific to their business requirement, where we are looking on advanced warehouse management and specific to the component we'll be building on. So this is the structure for training project which we'll have. We'll be looking from overall prospects of the business, all right, for the warehouse management, data migration, post migration on Fiori applications and integrations we are going to have. So here intention of the customer is, we are building a resource who can be part of implementation, migration and enhancement of technologies which we can build for the customer. All right, so this is one part which we will be looking on. We'll open the sessions for question and answer. All right, and then we'll look at from those prospects. Any questions you have for me, please feel. Right, Rama?
No, actually, no questions as such. I got the point.
Okay, so we'll be starting this more than training. It is more on specific on the project. We'll be starting this from coming week, and as a project will start from May, and then deployment from July we are going to do about. All right, so that is how. So on-site team is working, offshore team will be taking care into looking into. Right.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.